Well, I guess that is not the end of the video. So, welcome to Khara's kitchen. Come with me to make my lunchbox. First, because we were just outside, we gotta do what? Wash our hands, okay? So, soap, necessary, and wash your hands like so. Please, when you're washing your hands, when you put the soap in your hands, make sure you do this before you put your hands under the water, because you'll be putting soap right there in your hands and then washing the soap right off. Does that make any sense? No, your hands are not washed when you do that. So, and make sure you give yourself a minimum of 20 seconds with warm water, okay? Nubasi. Okay, now that we're back, hands are washed, phone is plugged, we're gonna go ahead and start with what we have here. Again, like I mentioned earlier, I planned on making a mushroom. I'm not gonna eat it with no bread. I'm not gonna eat it with no rice. No, just a mushroom sauteed as if it was spinach, sauteed as if it was asparagus, sauteed. That's what we got, okay? The mushroom is the meal, okay? Then kiwi. I got kiwi for vitamin C. I'm gonna cut it up. I'm gonna cut 2, okay? I'm only gonna have 2 kiwis, right? I'm not gonna that's gonna be like a side fruit, okay? I'm also gonna have watermelon for hydration, okay? And cucumbers as well, because I gotta finish what's in the fridge. So, do you like my stove covers? My roommate got it for us. Look how pretty. It really tells you kitchen clothes, okay? Let me go ahead and get what I'm getting. I'm kidding. And I have a remainder of pickles. I'm gonna have that. You say, my brain is talking faster than my lips. Listen, when I tell you I'm trying to finish what's in the fridge, I'm trying to finish what's in the fridge. Because yesterday I got me some raspberries and I also got me some blackberries for my fruit intake. And I got me pineapple juice and grapefruit juice. I might have said that wrong, but whatever. This morning I drank one of these, Owen, only what you need. It was the vanilla flavor one. I never had either of them, so I got them yesterday when I got them. And then I also have pure cranberry juice. Pure. When I say pure, it's pure. Okay, so let me take you all over here. To get started, I need you to take a gander at the body, just a little bit. No. To get started, I got my mushrooms, okay? Now, I'm gonna see what I'm gonna cook it in, okay? Gotta take the covers off, put it right smack over here, okay? Hold on, excuse me. Oh, itchy. I'm gonna eat it right now. So, I've been cooking with coconut oil, but I ran out. So I'm gonna go for olive oil right now. Like tasting olive oil, but I don't have that much. I've never officially made mushroom before, so I'm gonna go ahead and saute or whatever. It's technically sauté because I speak French and the word sauté is sauté, so I'm gonna saute these mushrooms, okay? Come for me in the comments. I dare you, okay? Argue with your mama, not me. So, I think I'm supposed to wash them first. Yes, wash before use. See? So let's go ahead and do that. We're back over here. Yes. Is it fat yet? No. Oh my gosh. This right here, refreshing. Very allergic to watermelon, I'm so sorry. What's wrong with my own hydration? Bone. That right up. Right in there. Because I'm gonna wash it. We're gonna let it soak. Okay. clean. I'm pretty sure you probably can put like baking soda or vinegar in it, but this is not that type of party. We're rushing to go to work, so this is all I'm gonna do. Okay, so let's go back over there. Okay, now that you're over here, I'm gonna open up the fire. In the meantime, let me tell you something. I did. It's on 0.
What's making it calculate?
Nothing. It's just fresh. Maybe water.
Yeah, it makes water.
Cracks, not apple. Huh?
You don't have to use that.
Does it look for it? Girl, yo, it's so fancy. I guess. Well, I already dirtied it.
It's fine.
Girl. Okay, thank you. Catch the grease flying. Cute. I like it. So how do we cook mushrooms?
You got seasoning. Put some adobo in there and some. You want to suya it up? You know, add some suya in there. With some
Oh, that was. You've been hiding that one.
yeah. Salt in there. On it. It's the water. That's probably what we're doing now. We got Cajun seasoning.
I'm gonna do clear.
We got some turmeric. Just season it up. Spice it up.
Alright. So I have a mushroom here on a paper towel so that it could dry up. I don't know. I just assume it probably needs to dry. Throw the lid to it. It could cook faster. I think. I don't know. Okay. So, looks like it got watery somehow. I didn't put any water in it. So, that's interesting. Fire's on medium right now. Adding Himalayan salt. You know me and my Himalayan salt. Maybe a little bit. I'm gonna add some Khara seasoning right here. And then put some cinnamon. Kidding. You got hyped up a little bit. Look at you. What would I put cinnamon in, huh? It's shrinking though. So maybe I might be able to eat this whole thing. Should I do that? No. Moderation is important. This is the spiciest pepper known to man. If you thought you liked spicy and you never had this, you don't know what spicy really is till you have that. My mom made his Nigerian, so she loves that stuff. It's good. It's good. It's real spicy. Like, I like spicy, but that's spicy. Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire. Just 1 cup, okay? Just gonna add a cap of lemon or a little bit of zest. Stir it up. Little darling, stir it up. I ain't tasted nothing yet. I'm scared. Just putting things together for some rice seasoning. Okay, it has sesame seed and a lot of other stuff. Might be a lot, but I have like it. Measure with your heart. I'm gonna do that. It smells really good in here, so there's no way I could die from this, right? Oh wow, come see. That's pretty. Wow, look at me. So proud of myself. I'm so thankful for the people in my life who are supporting this thing I got going on here. Like, I tell them a lot how much I appreciate them, but I don't think they understand how much I appreciate them. I won't. I gotta go to work. Put everything back where you found them. That's what my mama always taught me. What else we got? Oh, shit. Okay, it started sticking and it's popping up. Ow! So we're gonna go ahead and check that bitch out. Ow. Ow! Cover that bad boy right up so it can get softer. And then we're gonna make our lunch. I'm literally doing a handful. Walk this way. Mix that up here with them 2 kiwis. First, watermelon. So. I think it's ready. Too hard. And cut that kiwi like so. I feel good. I feel rich. When you're in that grateful energy, bro, can nothing bring you down. At least personally, nothing would bring me down. Shit. Y'en a la journée rive. Ou a kè tout ça, mon a dit de ou, a kè tout ça de mon a parlé, bye. Drink your water, eat healthy, and mind your motherfucking business. You hear me? Baso sa encore. Ade sa moun ap di. Ade sa moun ap pale de ou. La yo di. Ay. Kanye sa encore. And that feels damn good. That feels so good. On va commencer à respecter tout. One. Kiwi sa un petit jambon. Marime sa, non? Marime del mou, marime del tout. Okay, got your little fruit plate here. Clean up, Papa. Ok, on est en bas le plan. On va le mettre en petit concombre. Normalement, c'est pas bon pour eux. Il est comme bon. What's that? Oh, texture. I don't know where I should put the rest. Shrimp now. So I'm putting the mushroom So, this is what we're working with. This was leftover like rice. There's like literally like a fistful of rice. It's okay. And then 2 pieces of chicken, and then carrots, and then this is my fruit plate. My fruit plate also has cucumber and pickles, but that's kiwi and blackberries and raspberries. And yeah, that's lunch. And then we're done. But yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Khara, and I appreciate your business. Okay, see ya in the next video. Love you. Oh. Okay, too much.